A tool is only as good as your ability to use it. So train early and train often. It's time to punch the clock.
On today's Byrna Pro Tip, let's discuss projectile loadout options. Having a magazine allows you to load your projectiles in a predictable pattern based on what you believe your most likely encounter might be. An example of this is, personally, I load my mag so that the first 2 rounds out of the launcher are kinetic, and then the rest are Byrna Max rounds. Kinetic rounds not only break glass, but are a great direct impact round to use as a first step to deter a threat before you release any chemical agent. Stay tuned for more Byrna Pro Tips to make sure you are prepared to defend.